All right, let me tell you something. A bonnet can humble you very fast. One minute you're confident, feeling like a professional painter. Next minute you're standing there staring at a reflection that looks like mashed potatoes. That's the thing about paintwork. The bonnet exposes everything. Bad prep? You'll see it. Dust? You'll see it. Rushing? Oh, trust me, the bonnet will embarrass you publicly. But when it comes out clean, whew, different story. That deep reflection, that smooth shine, that moment when the light hits perfectly, that's the part that makes all the hard work worth it. Today we're back in the workshop, focused on getting this bonnet looking right. No shortcuts, no guessing. Just taking our time and trying to bring out that proper finish everybody wants, but not everybody has patience for. And honestly, there's something satisfying about watching a dull panel slowly turn into something that looks brand new again. So grab your snacks, relax, and let's see how this bonnet turns out. I remember back in the days when I was still learning how to spray clear coat. Man, I thought I was already a professional after one clean panel. Then one day they gave me a bonnet to spray while it was still on the car. Biggest mistake of my confidence level. I started spraying all happy, with extreme confidence, thinking I'm cooking something special, only to come back and see fish eyes, dry spots, and random dirt sitting inside the clear coat like they paid rent there. What I learned is, sometimes you only become a pro from your own mistakes. You can watch 100 YouTube tutorials and still end up with orange peel or a run in the clear coat. But those mistakes, they teach you more than anything. Every painter has messed up a panel before. The difference is pros don't quit after the mistake, they learn from it. Sometimes mistakes are actually a good thing because that's where real experience comes from. That's when I learned something important. A bonnet collects everything, especially when it's mounted on the car. Dust from the air, overspray, tiny particles. All of it loves landing right here. And the scary part, the bonnet is the first thing people look at. If the reflection looks bad there, everybody notices instantly. That's why your first pass matters a lot. You want it smooth, controlled, and clean, not rushing like you're late for school. So today we're taking our time with this one. Stay till the end because this bonnet should look completely different once the clear coat fully lays out. We're letting the first pass of clear coat flash off right now. And one thing I learned, there's no such thing as a perfect paint job. Orange peel always shows up somehow. Sometimes you spray straight glass and think you're a professional. Meanwhile, the paint gods just decided to bless you that day. There's different levels to orange peel too. There's the normal one where you polish it and it comes out clean. Then there's the type that fights back like it pays rent in the clear coat. No matter how much you polish, it still says, "Nah, I live here now." So honestly, the goal isn't to completely avoid orange peel. The goal is to lay down orange peel so smooth it looks like glass. Now we're coming in with the second coat of clear coat, and this is where things start getting serious, but also where most people start overthinking everything. The first coat was just the foundation, like warming up, getting the rhythm right. Now this second coat, this is where you either fix your confidence or expose your mistakes. And remember, no matter how good you are, paint always has its own personality. You can spray like a pro today, and tomorrow the same gun will act like it's new on the job and doesn't listen. This is also where people start chasing perfection. But let me tell you something. Perfection is a myth in painting. Even when it looks perfect in the booth, you'll still find something under the light later. So just focus on flow, overlap, and control. Let the clear lay down nice and wet, not rushed, not scared, because if you panic now, the paint will show it before you do.